Welcome to the channel. This is Nissan Qashqai, new shape, 8 month old. Basically, I'm going to say 2023 model. Just come out from the factory, I think. Anyway, ABS light on. Very strange. We'll see what happening inside. If you still not subscribe my channel, please do it now and press bell icon. Then you can get a lot of video like this. Right. I'm going to start the car. Keyless start. New shape. You can see at the dashboard this side traction control light on, and other side in the bottom ABS light, warning light, system fault, see owner manual, this light on for the line, stop start system faulty, lot of problem. I don't know what's going on this car. However, first of all, I'm going to plug in my computer and have a look what's going on here. If you doesn't know 2023 Qashqai OBD port, it's here. You need to pull underneath here OBD port. I'm going to do the diagnostic J12 model. Confirm. Yes. Right. I'm not worried about all the system. Just I'm going to check under ABS what's going on, because I feel because of this ABS light all other light can be illuminate. Because of that, I'm going to take a faulty codes under the ABS. You can see rear right or RR, I don't know what do you mean the RR. Left, I think rear left wheel sensor, something not right. Rear left wheel sensor, something not right. RR mean, I'm not sure what's the RR mean. Left hand wheel sensor, they all talk about the rear left hand wheel. However, I'm going to take a photo for my reference. Yeah, all talk about the rear left wheel. Right. I'm going to leave it everything, switch off the car. Then I'm going to have a quick look what happened rear left wheel. Just going to visual inspection what happened to the wheel. Right, bingo. I can see something. I'm not sure. Can you see this thing? You can see this the wire. It's look like to me someone or maybe animal chew the wire. You can see here this side. You can see here some damage to the wire. I feeling look like to me could be foxes. I'm not sure. However, this all harness came to electric parking brake and ABS sense also. It's coming together. However, this one I think Nissan dealer parts. I had to contact Nissan. If it part available, I can do the same day. They are very close to me. We'll see how it's going on. Now we know the problem. Once I get the part, I'll come back to you. Right, Nissan at corner. I got the part, bit expensive from the Ancaster. Yeah, it's come with a nice bag. This is the thing I'm going to change because this wire harness inbuilt ABS sensor, and this one going to the parking brake mechanism, and this side again connect to the inside the body. It's not hard, very easy. Remove couple of nut here, couple of nut there, one nut here. Yeah, we'll see how it's going on. I already remove the wheel, take access to the sensor. I need a 13 mil socket for the these nuts. One, two, two for the bottom, and there is another clip. Right, you have to lift up and remove little bit, take a bit. There is another two screws here. That one also number 13. Right, leave it separate file. Now it's playing. Need to disconnect from the, actually I'm going to disconnect from back. Right, now it's okay. Then after that, inside it's holding 10 mil screw here. I need to remove 10 mil screw because this car very new. Then all nut and bits come out very easily. Right, this the one hold the ABS sensor. After that you can wiggle and remove the sensor. Right, sensor out. Then after that we need to disconnect this connector from here. I'm using flat screwdriver. Just press in, remove, and these two connectors, press in this one, remove. Yeah, and this connector also same. I'm going to pop in my screwdriver and lift up. Right, all out. Something still hold here. You can see the this wire harness, it's holding there. Just ply out that one. Right, all out. Right, now you can see they chew the wires, that's why all causing the problem. Then I'm going to compare new one and old one. Yeah, look like to me okay. Then I'll start from top. Just couple of thread by hand. Make sure this clip push in to the bracket. After that, connect here. Right, this one. Right, and this one to the motor. Right, now need to tight. Right, all nice and tight as should be. After that I had to install this plastic clip here. Right, and another clip I'll remove inside. I had to remove this one out and connect it to the connector. Right, yeah, all as should be before. Now I'm going to the computer. Ignition on and try to clear this all faulty code first. Clear faulty code completed. Press OK. Read any faulty code left there. Not any faulty code left there. Right, now after that I'm going to switch off the car and start the car. Bingo, you can see nice and clear dashboard. No funny light at all. Christmas gone. Sorry. Right, yeah, sometimes life is boring, we need to be fun. Anyway, this is not a fun for the customer because 8 months old car had a like this problem. Little bit nightmare, yeah? But however, all done, all success. If you have a problem like this, you need a computer help, then after that you can read to the point very easily. If you have any experience before foxes chewing your wires, or if you have a like this video, photos, comments, suggestion, whatever, please comment below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible, and I'm happy to see your trouble. Your trouble, my trouble. Anyway, thank you. See you in the next video.